This tutorial will help to fix lag on any Roblox game. We would be able to increase the FPS from 60 to 120 using the FPS Unlocker. Let's search the Roblox FPS Unlocker in Google to download it. Let's click on the first Google result to download the software. We need to check the compatibility of software according to our operating system. Is it a Windows 32 or Windows 64 based operating system? That can be checked by typing the command in command prompt. Is it a Windows 32 or Windows 64 based operating system? That can be checked by typing the following command in command prompt. Type command macOS get OS architecture in Windows prompt and press enter. It will shows you OS version. In my case, it's 64-bit OS and I am downloading it. Now I will unzip the Roblox Unlocker software in my download folders. That will give me an executable file. Now required, Roblox Unlocker FPS software is ready to use it. But before applying it, I will check the current FPS in my Roblox application. So, I will open a Roblox and will select one game which is required high FPS to render the game smoothly. Let's go to the Roblox setting and set the graphics mode as manual and decrease the graphics quality to get the default maximum 60 FPS is supported by the Roblox. Do Ctrl-Shift-F5 to enable the feature to see the FPS of Roblox game. Keep focus on highlighting red circle. You will find that current FPS is showing as 60 and when there is a load on graphics then FPS is reducing. Sometimes it's reducing and going down to 55, 50, 57 but it's constant between the 50 and 60. Now this is the time to apply our FPS Unlocker software and its third-party tool. This is a rumor in the Roblox community that if some player will use third-party FPS Unlocker software then his account will be blocked. At RDC 2019, a Roblox employee confirmed that there will be no moderation action taken toward those who use such kind of software. So, no worries. Let's go to the location of FPS Unlocker software and run it as administrator. A new pop will open and asked for the confirmation. Confirm it. There will be a new setting file will be generated after allowing to run this application as administrator. That is very important to run as admin. Let's go to the Roblox game to see. You will see FPS value is increasing and let's wait for some seconds and play this games to look the average value of FPS now after applying the FPS Unlocker. Keep focusing on highlighting FPS stats window means FPS value. FPS value is keep increasing but it's not going down to below 60. Sometime FPS value is increasing to 65, 70, 85 but it's keep constant between 72 to 75. So, we have achieved at least more 15 FPS but I keep promise you about the FPS of 110. Let's play and wait for some time. It's look like FPS Unlocker is working but not effectively or applied efficiently on Roblox. Sometime it's happen. But no worries, let's restart the Roblox player again and needs to open the same game and focus on FPS value. To see FPS value press again Ctrl-Shift F5 and needs to keep focusing on FPS value. Don't do any changes or action on already enabled FPS Unlocker that is running as administrator. FPS initial value is now 39. Let's do the changes as same we had done initially means changes in the graphic quality and check the FPS value. Oh great, now FPS value is 75 and it's keep increasing gradually. Let's play this game and focus on FPS value. What a great optimization. FPS value is sometimes 75, going to 85 and touching to 90. Keep playing and focusing on FPS value. Very soon, we would find at least 100 FPS value, that is our objective. Now our FPS value is between 98 to 115. It's just double of our initial value. So, we can say Roblox FPS Unlocker is working properly. Higher FPS will solve the lagging issue in gaming and produce the great quality of video contents that will really helpful for the gaming developer and video editor. Now this tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you very much for watching.